Hello everyone. How are you doing today? This is Grow with Technology podcast. I'm your host, Richard Butler Jr., and welcome to episode 29. We're getting close to the end of season 5, and we are looking to have a very interesting show for you today. Our topic continues to be around growing your business with technology, focusing on artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly called, buzzing all around the internet. Just wanted to tell you that we're going to bring you a little different show today, and I'm going to focus a lot on ChatGPT as the technology, artificial technology of choice that we're going to talk about. Essentially, ChatGPT broke out around March-April timeframe of 2022 and has really changed the game for a lot of entrepreneurs, startup founders, and business owners, small business owners in particular. Being able to take advantage of the technology called AI that can grow your business, help you run your business, and help you find new customers and a whole lot of other things. But in this episode, we're going to give you some information that will guide entrepreneurs for the business and the money they make, accessing some of the secrets of ChatGPT as our main topic today. But overall, I have been researching ways that you can continue to leverage artificial intelligence for your business. And one of the areas that I have been focused on, and I'm putting together some information on it that I will be giving away for free. Just continue to visit our website, growwithtechnology.com, and you'll continue to see some information. But looking at how I put this podcast together, and the different types of opportunities that have come to me by putting this podcast together and leveraging AI in particular to create, once the audio is done. And the audio does include some AI voices that are used. Art Benjamin is one of the voices that I use to create this podcast and continue to grow it, and I think it's a good thing. I'm starting to look at some of the opportunities, especially as I'm looking to expand the portfolio of offerings for my private company, my tech manager. We're looking at how we can leverage virtual staffing, and that includes everything from talking about marketing, social media, legal, career planning, project planning, business management, and all of these different types of areas that entrepreneurs, startup founders, business owners can take advantage of by leveraging AI. Not necessarily to get rid of their employees, but think about it this way. If you're a one-person business, you can't afford to pay a lot of people. But if you had a host of virtual staff, you want to bounce different ideas or different thought processes that you're having about your business off of different expertise. And so we're building up to provide that information. And one of the ways we're doing that is we're going to be giving away some digital books and ebooks and reports that we're working on. I'm even working on, just before I started doing the production for this podcast, I'm working on a video course that will talk about this particular subject matter. And right now, most of the videos in that course are being rendered. And I will be giving away that course for free, along with some additional information. And, you'll see that coming here very shortly. But ChatGPT in particular is the primary or the best-known artificial intelligence that most of us are using today. Whether it's uploading a letter, making it better, doing an article, or doing some research on your business, looking for keywords to promote your website, looking to create content, reports, guides, tutorials, video scripts, information that you can use to then create other types of content, presentations, elevator pitches, you name it. You can do it with ChatGPT. And there are some other artificial intelligences out here. If you see Microsoft Copilot, that is, it's driven by ChatGPT and OpenAI, which Microsoft owns 49% of. And they have a seat on the board, which I'm reading to. They're planning to give up that oversight seat. But there's lots of information that's coming to you with ChatGPT in particular, and that technology continues to grow. And they're making, lots of money every month by helping those of us that are out here continue to grow our business. So listen to this segment that's coming up, and I'll see you in my closing for the podcast, and you'll be able to get some more information and insights from me. So here it goes. Let's start by understanding the fascinating evolution of ChatGPT. From its inception as a language model to its current capabilities, ChatGPT has become a game changer in the realm of artificial intelligence. As an entrepreneur, you need to grasp the underlying technology that enables ChatGPT to comprehend and respond to human language. Imagine having a powerful tool at your disposal, one that can create content, provide customer support, and solve complex problems all through natural language interactions. Content is king, and ChatGPT wears the crown. Discover how ChatGPT can revolutionize your content strategy. Whether it's generating blog posts, crafting compelling copy, or brainstorming ideas, this AI ally can streamline your operations and enhance productivity. We'll explore practical tips for optimizing prompts, structuring interactions, and achieving outstanding results with ChatGPT. Hold on to your seats because here's where it gets exciting. ChatGPT's Simulate command unlocks a world of possibilities. Fine-tune your interactions, simulate conversations, and witness how this feature can elevate your entrepreneurial experience. As an authority leader, you'll want to master this command to create engaging, personalized interactions with ChatGPT. Let's dive into real-world success stories. From startups to established businesses, entrepreneurs like you are leveraging ChatGPT to streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. We'll explore case studies, dissect strategies, and provide actionable insights that you can implement immediately. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting your entrepreneurial adventure, ChatGPT Secrets is your ultimate guide. Embrace the future of business, harness the true potential of AI, and unlock doors to unlimited possibilities. Remember, the key phrase here is business success secrets. ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's your strategic partner in the digital landscape. And there you have it, listeners. I encourage you to explore ChatGPT, experiment with its capabilities, and let it empower your business. Until next time, this is Bart Benjamin signing off from Grow with Technology. Stay curious, stay innovative, and remember the future belongs to those who embrace AI. So there you have it. That was the segment The title of that segment is ChatGPT Secrets for Entrepreneurs Guide for Business and Money Success. So as you can see, sorry about that. I've been listening to some of my stuff on YouTube, but I just incorporated it into the production, just keeping it real. What you heard there was some of the areas that ChatGPT has impacted on business. And then leveraging ChatGPT, as I was talking in the opening segment, leveraging it to create content and for marketing also you're looking at it being a secret weapon. I don't necessarily look at GPT as a secret weapon because I think there's a lot there. And it's not necessarily a secret weapon because millions of people around the globe are using it. So I don't know how secret it can be. But as you learn how to use it, and the way to use it is to learn what's called prompt engineering. And that is giving it a written instruction to get out what you need. There's a certain logic behind how you do that. And I use prompt engineering to create the text that I want for most of the audio segments that you see in or you hear in this podcast, Grow Your Technology. So it's useful if you know how to use it to get out the information you need. So you're going to see over the next coming months, I'm going to start putting together more case studies for you to download and digest. And what'll happen is the written case study will be available for free. But if you want something, a video, what we're going to do is we're going to give you that information, as they all make that information available to you in a video. And to get the video, you're going to have to upgrade in the membership section. So we'll give you that in a membership section, and you'll be able to have access to that. But it'll give you a visual, and along with the visual, you can also have the audio that you could download and listen to anywhere you want to, put it on your phone, and then you can Bluetooth it in your car or wherever you may be listening to. So ChatGPT, using it as a secret source for any business that you're running, any side hustle, it can help enhance it. So oftentimes we'll get into some business, we'll start it as a side hustle, and we'll go from there with it. And I even heard something very interesting because I do a lot of research for this podcast. I listen to a lot of research for this podcast. I listen to a lot of research because I do a lot of research for this podcast. I listen to a lot of different shows, and YouTube has exposed me to a lot of stuff. So with that in mind, I tend to check out certain things. And one of the shows I was listening to is a lady in Mississippi. I don't recall her name right now. I think she's running a DNA test service, mobile DNA test service. And while she's running this business, because this is not her first business, she actually has put together a lot of things that can help her with her business. And so she's designed a full business kit, like a do done for you, and all you have to do is run the business. You pay her a certain amount of money, and she does this. And one of the things they incorporated in there is a way where phone calls come in. Those phone calls are answered by artificial intelligence. So there's somebody who lives in Mississippi, runs a 6-figure-a-year business out of Mississippi, and they're using artificial intelligence in their business for answering phone calls. That's just one aspect. I'm sure the one aspect, and I'm sure they're doing a lot of other things. So there's a lot of areas that you can leverage artificial intelligence, in particular ChatGPT, since this segment is pretty much on that. So there you have it. And we hope this segment of this episode of Grow with Technology has been good to you. And we look forward to bringing you more. Reach out to me on any of the social media platforms. Just look for Richard Butler Jr., or you can look for Grow with Technology, and we'll be glad to answer your questions. Tell us a topic that you want to hear about, and we'll be happy to bring that to you. So until next time, stay motivated, and we'll bring you more information how you can grow your business using artificial intelligence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Grow with Technology YouTube channel for more insightful episodes.